kiala, kiala. Along tiamba na momoreng bejankia banana yongkia Mengkentu jangkia banana yongkia Oh alung kialia Mwame kiala nemoti songo Oh alung kialia mwame Oh kiala kiala alung tiamba na momoreng bejangkia banana yongkia Mengkentu jangkia banana yongkia Oh alung kialia mwame kiala nemoti songo Oh alung kialia mwame Mfofumban Oh kiala kiala alung tiambana Momoong rengbe Jankiambana na yungkia Mengkentu Jankiambana na yungkia Oh alung kialiambo me Kiala no mo tisong Oh alung kialiambo me Abinet inzo funker fumbana Ngamban bin fumbila lale Among the achievements of the Nkwen Language Committee is a result of the research on M BANÄ. M BANÄ being the traditional anthem of the Nkwen people. During this research, many adults of the land, elderly people of the land were contacted and they all directed us to Mbelewa. And that is where the M BANÄ originated. So when we get to Mbelewa, we contacted some adults we were directed to, and they all explained to us how the M BANÄ originated in Mbelewa. They told us that the M BANÄ was the typical song, a very important traditional song used by the people at the time. And they used this song for 3 reasons. First, the song was sung to employ the gods of the land to bless the land, make it fruitful, make it flourish. In the second place, when a young woman was getting into marriage, this song was also presented. On the first night that the woman was taken to the husband's house, this song will be presented. And everybody in that occasion will sing the song individually. You will not present the song well, had a fine to pay. This was to stress the importance of this particular song. Then this song also, in the third place, was being used when the people gather for an important occasion that is of the interest of the land. When they gather for that occasion, they present this song, calling on the God of the land to bless the activities they were about to carry out, making it fruitful so that it will be to the interest of the land, to the growth of the people of the land. So, the question about the M BANÄ now is the wordings of the M BANÄ, the lyrics, because you will bear with me that the language that was used at the time must have evolved. And so some of the words found in the M BANÄ are so typical that it is very difficult to bring out the meaning. But with this in mind, that we have a general meaning on the ban will not bother us too much, because if we know these three ideas that is behind the ban, we will not bother much on the wordings of the ban. Lamba mình suy ngang gờ mà mở phá mô mà cũng sẽ bóng lạ ra phá lạ bên cái tên phá vô cái lê nê nhiều mbàn lạ gờ mbàn lạ gì ở bên phá phá lờ cái suy ngang gờ cái lờ vô lọ cho cô nhiều giang quay từ bê thả bê lạ bà tư mà bê quay tu qua lạ bê suy ngang vong bê lọ dì nhiều mbàn lạ bê có bên bè rồi bữa mà mbàn gia phú an bè rồi bê thả bà tư kinh duyên bè rồi mà bong bê bình sự quan nên nhiều mbàn gì bê thì in có bè rồi kinh quay từ bê thả bia bố lan cái phí từ anh nhiều zoom mà mbàn gì bên zoom bố bì bố phí từ ngân mbàn gì ba an ko on shen zang ma a fumbi mbo bata bin na ban chambi zang zi ban zang ma bakuma lon tumbo bin nyue abu fol an re la an kwe yan chambi nyu ma bo kuma an zang zi mun lon tanala zong tin nyu banga bakuma an zang zi afu o ma men ye ku ga na zona bê lo mình dìa, cái bê câm mình dìa, gần chả xin gì ăn đúng là bê tịnh nôn nông bì phổ qua mà ăn rằng gì bà bố má bố duyên dìa má bố ý chả xin mình ghiền bố tịnh mà ăn rằng gì chiêng ngủ ổ cá mà ăn xị nè ổ chun dìa yam đế xin nè ngơ rằng gì lăn đế xin bá quả tì có ôn rằng ma mo mong pen tsum mo ba ngorte mo mong pen o za jim ma an shina o ka jim ma an shina o tunje yama da sin ngan zang zai kala nan ba pa ngorten zang ko on shin zang la mo ga ne di itar bo ka ma an zang zai adi uma bala ni yin kung so ga la kung so mo rene nyutse ka mo gang nan kung sitse bo kung se yala bo tin zam zang zi mo da senanga bo tong bo nyue bing se bo nyue ga bo yi fian form bo de iwa ni etseja ga nyu zo ma bo re ya aba nyu ma a bo re la kwe fian bo no bo ade uma bo zu yola hanyu zo ma ti mon zo tente senui banga be uma be ko sen be ti ambing singa zang zi bê swing linga ka mom la ka bin fuli fala ya nyuzo ma be fu tso ko la yanti izo nga nzang zi fu ambar wan kan ko on tso ko be ko fi tin bo be gan zang zi ban zang ma bu tong be nywe ga fo la fo be ngie bo ma bu ga na zo na nga bo jwe for ngwe la an kwe lia banga bê lê nga bong bê ga buk ma an zang zi bê na ka mong bing se banga bo zo ma bê ma an zang zi le ma nyu ma bê swing le nga ka bo ma te bong zo ma zui ma zang zi bo ga bê le na bong zo ma bê ka bong na ngo wa bê ten kan kwe nchia ngo an kan pabra bo ga le na bong zo bê na bong na song na ka bo zo ja te se ba nzang ja zua na ko she bong no ma zui fu wa o ke je man zang zua bo ma an zang ban ma ba ko ka kan zang te sa ma te ma su bong na nyu zo ma no ma ba ko ma bong ba lan yam bon tiet bo bong ji bong longa bo ma an ma ba ko wa bong bina ka tsong we la ne te se ji la bong ma bina